lovely one. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself through the section, make 2 ponytails at the bottom, and then add a rubber band to the middle of each of these 2 ponytails. Roll the hair in on itself through this middle section, lift it upwards, and then pull the hair through. Add a single rubber band to join the 2 together, add a rubber band in the middle as well, roll the hair in on itself through the middle, and pin it up in place. Use a decorative pin at the top of this. Next, take the top section of the hair, divide it into 3 parts, and then begin to make a braid out of the hair. Gather all of the hair together and then tie a rubber band to it. At the bottom, add another rubber band. Roll the hair upwards as such. Now, roll it up into a bun and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. After this, take a decorative clip and then add it to the top of it in order to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to the middle of the section, and roll the hair in on itself. Now pull it through the top section you have created. Right underneath this, make another section caused by 2 sections joining together. Roll the hair in on itself, and then wrap this around the bun you've created at the top. Now make a low ponytail, roll this ponytail in on itself, and then wrap this as well around the bun you've created. Use a decorative pin on top of all of this. Next, we'll start off by taking the top middle section of the hair and then make a braid out of it. Make a normal braid out of it, add a rubber band at the end of it. Now, through each of the middle sections, take sections of the hair from either side and pull it through as such. Do this until you reach almost the last layer or the middle section as well. Now, after this, you may add a decorative clip on top of this. Leave out 2 sections of the hair from the front, tie a ponytail at the back, and then begin to make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it, and then once you have added the rubber band to your braid, tie it up, and then you may roll it up as well. Now, after you have rolled it up, clip it up in place. Now, take the 2 sections of the hair that you have left out, and starting with one side, wrap it around it. As for the other, add a rubber band at the end of it, and now roll it up, wrap it up into a smooth bun. Add a decorative clip through the side. Take a section of the hair from the middle, tie it up at the back. Now take 2 sections of the hair from either side, pull it through the middle section. Repeat this step 2 or 3 more times, then make a braid at the bottom, roll this braid upwards and then fasten it in place and wrap the rest of the hair around it in order to make it stay in its place. Use a decorative clip on top of this. This will be the final look. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then take this bun rubber band, divide the hair into 2 portions, and then take the multiple sections of this ponytail, begin to make a braid out of it, add more and more sections of the hair into this braid as you progress with it, and this is what it should look like. Do this all around, and then finally once you reach the end, make a normal braid out of this and then wrap it around. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, then take this bun stick, move it over to the bottom, and then from the bottom rolling upwards, wrap it up and then make it into a bun. Now, after you have made a circular shape out of it, wrap the hair around it evenly so as to make it look as appealing as possible. Next, you may take a decorative rubber band and then wrap it around it. We have chosen to use this little teddy bear rubber band that we have got. Next, take a decorative hair twine, tie a ponytail to the hair, and then insert the hair twine into the hair as such, that is, into the ponytail. Now, twist the hair, and then twist the hair around the hair twine that you've added. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it once you're done, and then wrap this up into a bun, adjust it as need be, and then take the decorative portion of it, and then insert it in the side or wherever you want it to be. We have chosen to insert it onto the left side. Thank you for watching.